It is probably like 1 a.m. in the morning, and I'm here with the Civic. My guys okay, so I wanted to give you guys a breakdown. I'm sorry about that. I'm pretty tired tonight. Had a lot of stuff to do today. I'm very, very tired actually. It's been a very long, like 2 weeks of my life with this car. So I wanted to give you guys a real big breakdown on this vehicle. Because if you guys have been following the TikTok, I'm still cleaning up my garage from all of this at the moment. So don't mind me, but yeah, so let's get down into the build. I'll flip the camera around. We'll talk more about it. So this is my 93 Honda Civic right here. Let me flip this. Okay, better look of this car. At the moment, it is absolutely jacked as high as it could be. And I'll tell you why in a second. But I've got camber arms on it. Did the full suspension. We're in the middle of a rebuild. Full rebuild. It's already been ran. I've already started it. Roto spoons in the front. And those are... I forget the name of those, but they are the... they are not ERC or JNC. So we got the JNC and Toyo TR1s back here. Got a Blocks Racing Eagle sticker on it. I'm in the middle of full body work. The original color that I'm doing on it is black. Got new fenders, got new lights. Trying to get new rear lights. These need to be adjusted. Well, you know how old Civics are. But the hood is still in decision. It's probably going to be carbon fiber. Or I just get a new one. But the garage is absolutely crazy. And that's what it looked like. It looked actually way worse. So we are turboing this D series. I went with D16Z6 here. Which was an engine I grew up on, so you could see all the powder falling over there. We've done a lot of body work to it. This thing was crying for body work. It still needs the front bumper, rear bumper, and then scuffed up, but I think for the most part, a lot of the filling and a lot of the patching is almost there. So we're about I'd say a good 85% there with everything that's with how it looks now. Cut the exhaust off today. It was scraping. It was way too low. I'm about maybe 150 miles in on driving it. I just took it around maybe the town a couple times, up north and back. And yeah, this is my Colorado Springs, Colorado. Shout out Colorado. Shout out everyone that helped me with this build. It is a D16Z6 Vitara Eagle Rod build, fully machined, fully built. And we just installed the catch can today. Aftermarket radiator, fully built transmission. Got the turbo manifold on there right now to see how it looks. I painted the valve cover red, wrinkle red in fact. It is a little dirty. We still got more parts coming, more stuff to add on. So I wanted to talk to you guys because this build's going amazing. Got some gaskets, blow-off valves, turbos over there, but we still have more AN setups to do here. But this is just for temporary. And I don't think I'm even going to be running it the way I thought, because I got a AN10 for the for this oil catch back here that was crying for help. So, but yeah, guys, I got the gates timing on it, polished cranked ACL rod bearings, ACL oil pump, new distributor, new wires, made it look pretty. Painted the engine bay. That was a life-changing moment for me when this was my first engine bay I ever painted, so taking everything out and then taking it all apart and putting it all back together from scratch was very fun. I wanted to do this build. I grew up on D series, and it's my favorite engine. Okay, back to the situation here. So I got my little heart in the front. We're gonna be running boost on it soon. We've got it on Snake Emulator on the interior, on the ECU, on Honda Tuning Suite, so I want to get some videos of that. I don't know if anyone's ever gotten any kind of videos of that before. I'm sure there's some out there, but for what I know is that I'm the only one in a 93 Civic hatch running the emulator in my town, so that'll be interesting, finding a tuner for it. Future plans, guys. I do want to get it boosted as fast as possible, but everything takes time to do it perfect. The bodywork, we're just doing regular black, whatever it came from at factory. Maybe a little bit of flake, I'm not too sure yet. But I really do want to race this car, guys. I want to take it to the, not race, but, you know, do a track day, do a video on that, do some more videos working on it, so it'll be here in the future. I haven't posted anything since the PPIR track video, so I wanted to give you guys the update on my vehicle for the people that did know that I had this vehicle. There you go, guys. You're welcome. It is real. It is alive. It's not dead. Nothing happened. It's just getting more fine-tuning, more adjustments, and decision making in the process. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did get my catch can, which is sitting right there floating for now. We hooked it up to these breathers right here. That was fun. I didn't get a video of that. My friend Scotty helped me. Shout out Scotty. If you guys know who Scotty is. Most experienced mechanic I've ever met. One of them anyways. That's probably at least, I would say like 8 years older than me. 7 years older than me. But he's been building these things his whole life. Came from LA to Colorado. And, not many Hondas out here. We do have a Honda anniversary like in other states, but we'll be doing another video on that. Everything's fully touched and machined, so it runs fine. It sounds better than ever. And hopefully I could get more videos of this very, very soon. It's kind of more like just like an update video. But I do plan maybe on keeping this manifold, or we'll go ram's horn, depending on what you guys want to say in the comments. We still need the intercooler piping, still need the intercooler. Still need to do a video on E85 fuel pump and injectors. We're probably going to be running braided line for that as well. I'm more worried about probably the ball joints and the tie rods need replaced as well, but that's not that hard, so maybe we'll do a video on that. We'll take it to a friend's shop, show you their process. I have a custom. Sorry about that, guys. My phone died. So as I was saying before, shout out everyone that helped me. I have a custom fabrication guy. We're trying to get the whole turbo to exhaust situation figured out. Don't quite know yet, but it'll get there. Shout out to Enos Rink, the machine shop I worked at, that I was able to learn all of this at before the owner passed away. R.I.P. Lambert, you were a great person. And also Glenn, the guy that taught me there. So for you people that go to PPIR and do car builds. You guys know who they are. But other than that, yeah, guys, it's been a long journey. It took me like maybe about a year to get this done. Still a little more to go. Like I said, we still have videos to make. We have the exterior, the interior, more aftermarket parts, of course. We still got that intake that needs attention. It's stock, so maybe we could do something fun with that. Maybe a wire tuck battery relocation. Other than that, guys, it's all the easier stuff now. Easier said than done, though, so everything takes time. I would like to run a skunk to intake, battery relocate, braided lines on almost everything. We're just gonna do a little T4 turbo, max speeding rods, see how it turns out, and eventually start on the interior, which I'm very waiting for. The rims and tires, got the remaining set back there that we have to mount some tires on. We're still deciding on that, probably some Toyos. I'm sure you guys already know which ones, so if you guys have seen this from TikTok, feel free to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and we will be making more videos on this Civic. So, my name is Eli, for you guys that don't know me, Eli Martinez, Shift and Style Co. out.